Imagine a pair of Oakleys that don't just look futuristic, but think futuristic. This is the Oakley Meta Vanguard, unveiled at Meta Connect 2025, and it just might be the most advanced pair of AI glasses we've ever seen. Meta has already made waves with the Ray-Ban Meta line, but with Oakley stepping in, things get serious. The Vanguard blends Oakley's iconic visor design with next-generation smart features, built for athletes, creators, and anyone who lives life in motion. At the core, you're getting hands-free Meta AI, ready to assist with just your voice. But that's only the beginning. A new 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera sits dead center above the nose bridge, giving you a true first-person perspective, like wearing a GoPro on your face. Videos record in 3K at 30 frames per second, with support for slow motion and hyperlapse. Storage? A respectable 32 gigabytes on board, plus Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 for faster, more stable connections. And here's where it gets rugged. The Vanguard is Meta's first pair of IP67 rated glasses, meaning dust-proof, water-resistant, and ready for outdoor adventures. They even sync with Garmin devices and Strava, perfect for sharing your activity in real time. Sound hasn't been overlooked either. With 5 built-in microphones and the most powerful open-ear speakers Meta has ever made, the Vanguard is 6 decibels louder than the Oakley Meta HST. Clearer calls, fuller music, and better immersion without covering your ears. Battery life clocks in at 6 hours of continuous audio or 9 hours of everyday use, and with the charging case adding another 36 hours, you're covered for long trips. A full recharge? Just 75 minutes. Of course, style is still front and center. Every Vanguard ships with Oakley Prizm Lenses, available in gold, black, rhode, and sapphire. The Oakley Meta Vanguard launches October 21st, priced at $499, 549 euros, or £499. Pre-orders are open now at meta.com and oakley.com. Oakley's vision meets Meta's AI. Are we looking at the future of smart eyewear?
Hold me close till I get up.